Nature isn't a collection of parts. It's a single unfolding process. Dialectical materialism reveals reality as a vast, interconnected material whole. Nothing stands still. Everything changes through internal contradictions and struggle. Opposing forces, growth, decay, pressure, release, drive evolution. Material conditions dictate life. Climate, resources, geography, not ideas, shape how species adapt, compete, and survive. Matter precedes consciousness. No isolated events. Every storm, extinction, or adaptation ripples through the material web. Understanding these laws helps us navigate and protect our world.